Noise cancelling on.
She could usually tell, but baby, don't how far would I?
Hey, what's up, welcome back guys again to my channel. Guys, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Today guys, we're going to unbox the new Freebuds 3 from Huawei. This one guys, this one released last week by Huawei. They call this one guys the AirPods Pro Killer because it has the active noise cancellation. Okay, so especially guys, if you are playing music, you cannot hear the sounds surrounds you. Okay, and also it will eliminate the wind, especially if you are running or biking, or if you are attending a call. It's very crystal clear sound. Okay guys, now let's open it and let's jump into the video.
Double cup, big straight holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
So this is the box guys, and so let's get open it. Okay, and this is the one. Whoops. Alright, and the packaging guys is very presentable. It's awesome. The quality of the box, and so that's it. This is it guys, and guys, all right. Oh, this one guys, this is how to open the Freebuds 3 from Huawei. And guys, awesome. This is the box guys, and Freebuds 3, Huawei Freebuds 3. This one guys, it has the active noise cancellation, and it has also the wireless charger. So just if you have the wireless charger, just put and tap on it and boom, it will charge. Yeah, so guys, that's it. And ooh, the packaging guys is very nice, very clean. See the logo here. This is the logo from Huawei. Have you seen it guys? Alright, it's the gold Huawei logo, right? And here, and of course guys, this is the maybe it will fall, man. This is the Huawei Freebuds 3. Alright, so as you can see, this is like circle around case compared to the AirPods or AirPods Pro is like rectangular shape. So this one's like it's like, you know, for the lady, for the makeup kit. It's similar, but it's just good guys, very good quality. And here guys, it has a Type C, okay, Type C charger. So it's you can charge this guys like 30 minutes. It will be 70%. So it's very fast charging guys. Alright, so let's open it later. Alright, and inside the box, and inside the box, so here guys, there's also of course the manual. So this one guys, this is the apps that we're going to use. Okay, if you have Android devices like Huawei, Samsung, or for any devices like, but Android, this one is available also in Play Store, right? But if you have the old Android devices like Sony or LG, just scan this QR code and that's it. You can install the application. The code Huawei A Life. That's it guys. Huawei A Life. Alright, is it clear? No guys, it doesn't. That's okay. And serial numbers, and this is the one. This is the documentation, warranty card, and yeah, it's a manual. So all safety information, different languages, right? So that's it. And one more thing, guys, there's also another box inside. This one is, I think this is the cable, guys, charger. Let me see. Yeah, I'm correct. So this one, guys, again, Type-C charger from, yeah, this is the Type A, alright, and this is the Type-C charger, Type A to Type-C. Alright, so this is the cable, and that's it, guys. This is it. So now it's empty. Alright, so let's jump into the Bluetooth headset. Right, so there's a plastic. This is it, and again one more plastic. And guys, so this is the logo, guys. So this is the hinge, and as you have you seen it? This one, guys, this is the Huawei Freebuds 3. Alright, so Type-C charger. So now, guys, let's open it, guys. Ooh. The design, it's almost, guys, identical to the AirPods, Apple AirPods. It's almost similar, and also here, but it comes with, like, here, it comes with extension here from this battery section. This is from the battery, guys, and this is a microphone here at the bottom, and this is there's one hole here, guys, as you can see here. This one is like the sensor. So for example, if you are playing music, for example like this, if you want to play or pause, just double tap it like this, or triple tap, you can skip the song, or from the left side, triple tap again, it will be go back to the previous songs. Okay, and this one, it's very it's fit, guys, in my ear, so it will not fall. See, guys, that's very good grip, guys, very good grip. So it's, yeah, this looks like AirPods, guys. Let me try this one later. And of course, guys, here in the inside, this is a charging case. So this one, guys, I tried this one in the store. So I tried the demo unit. It sounds very good, guys. The bass, the sound quality, and the active noise cancellation. I tried it. When you double tap, guys, here from the left side, double tap, it will recognize the sensor, so it will activate the active noise cancellation. So just double tap, active noise cancellation. Double tap, it will be like normal headsets. So I tried in the store, guys. The sound quality is so crystal clear. The bass, it's awesome, guys. And also here, the playback time of this both AirPods is 4 hours. So basically, guys, if you're playing, especially YouTube, and especially, guys, me, I'm a music lover. So while I'm traveling from my from home going to work, I'm always use my headset. So before, I use the Bluetooth headset from Huawei also, which is the Freelace. It comes with a cable here. So sometimes I'm not comfortable. So but this one, guys, it's very easy to use. It's very comfortable, guys. And the battery life of this case also. So it's 4 hours, and here it will give you also 16 hours of charge. So total, guys, you can use this one total 20 hours playback or playtime music. Okay, guys, that's it. Later on I will try this one, guys. And of course, guys, please don't forget to check my full review of this Huawei Freebuds 3. So guys, this is very good, and let me try it later, and I will update you guys. Okay, but guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Alright guys, peace.